My name is Sandhya Ringo. Today's video topic is different key and joins in SQL. So we are discuss about what is a key. Key is a field in a table that participate in below activities in RDBMS system to create relationship between two table, to maintain uniqueness in a table, keep consistent and valid data in a database, might help in fast data retrieved by facility index on columns n. Then SQL supports various type of keys which are list below. First is a candidate key, second primary key, third unique key, fourth alternate key, fifth composite key, sixth super key, and last is a foreign key. So we are discuss about in a brief. First is candidate key. Candidate key is a key of a table which can be selected as a primary key of the data. Uh, a table can have multiple candidates keys out of which one can be selected as a primary key. Then next is a primary key. Primary key is a candidate key of the selected to identify each record uniquely in a table. Primary key does not allow null values in a column and keep the unique values throughout the column. The next is a unique key. Unique key is a similar to primary key and does not allow duplicate values in a column. It has below difference in comparison of primary keys. It is allowed to null value of the table in the column. By default, it's create a non-clustered index on heap heap table. Then next is a alternate key. Alternate key is a candidate key currently not selected as a primary key of the table. Then next is a composite key. Composite key, it is also known as compound key or concrete key. It is a group of two or more columns that identifies each rows of the table. Then next is a super key. Super key is a set of columns in which column of the functionality dependent. It is the set of column that uniquely identifies each that is uniquely identify each rows of a table. Super key may hold some additional columns which are not strictly required and uniquely identify each row. Primary key and candidate key are the minimal super keys. You can say subset of the super key. Then next is a foreign key. Foreign key is the relationship between two table. A primary key of the one table is referred to as a foreign key in another table. Then next point is a SQL server join. In a real life, we store our data in multiple logical tables that are linked together by the common key values in a relationship data between database like SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, and others, etc. As the we constantly need to get the data from two or more tables into the described output based some conditions. There are four types of SQL join. First is a inner join, second is a outer join, third is a self join, and fourth is a cross join. First, we are discuss about in brief. First is a inner join. Inner join returns the all record from the multiple tables that satisfy the specify the condition. That is the simple most popular from of joins assume as a default join. Then next is a self join. Self join table in join to itself using the self join It means that each table rows and is combined with itself and with the every other tables with the every of the tables and rows. Then next is a cross join. Cross join is an SQL server combination of the possibilities of two or more tables and returns the result that include every rows from the contributing table. It is also known as Christmas join. Then next is a outer join. There are three types of outer join. First is a first is a first is left joint and second is a right joint. Thank you.